Howdy, welcome back to the P38 Range Rover Apocalypticus Road to Ruin project. Just a couple of other quick jobs that have been done to the car, so give you a quick update. Right, one of the other ones is we've upped the wheels. They've been on it for a while now, but they're the standard wheels, looking fairly subtle. Just laid it next to it. We've got the old rear windows tinted just to hide what's going on in the old back there. And then obviously the other part of any decent V8 is an exhaustectomy, so all that's come off and weighs a ton, I might add. And this has been replaced with just an offset silencer and a little turn down pipe. So we'll fire her up, do the obligatory sound check, and then show the wheels. So let's get her fired. Carrier, and this is the wheel tyre package. Certainly makes it look more aggressive. Knobbly, chunky tyres, but they're decent on the road actually. I can't remember what I bought. I think I got a high fly, vigorous AT, they're all-terrain 601s. I've been really pleased with them. They run quite nice. Not a lot of noise, seem pretty grippy, and there she is. I'll just give her a quick blip of the throttle. Might not pick it up too well on this because it's just a Bogo camera really. Don't know why I'm aiming it down. You get the idea in a sec. Hopefully that gives a flavour. See if we get on there and just get a quick shot of that exhaust. Give me a sec while I free the camera. Oh, sorry if you're getting seasick there. We ain't got the best of light. I should really knock the engine off of this bit, but what you wonder? Not me. Chassis wheel. There you go. Off the stock headers, see him. Oh, where are we looking now? Coming under with you. Right. So stock exhaust. That's just off where the headers meet. Into an offset silencer and into that little 90 there. Does a great job of warming that front arm up. But sounds lovely, not too mental though, which is quite nice for the road. Oh. So, there we go. Next little step in the project. Just a quick update, get a flavour of her, and let's see what we can get up to next, eh? Oh, there's the old tripod leaning. But she's starting to look the part. Plenty of work left, but a couple of the big jobs are already there. Right, cool, cheers. Catch you later.